How to create flashcards in Google Docs or printable flashcard on Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so I am on my Google Docs applications. Let me take blank Google Docs here. Okay, so I got the documents. So you need to arrange the margin from here. Okay, if this ruler not visible to you, then you can go in view and make sure this ruler show is enabled. Then you can change the margin from here. Okay, now for flashcard we need to go in insert, go to the table, and here we in visual we need to take two column and row and just hit the click, then it will be insert like this. Now still click into the table and click and select, click and hold and select the all table, and just come to this bottom line and make sure this cursor icon will be visible to you. When it is visible to you, just click on it, hold it, and just drag on bottom. Okay, so just drag on where you have margin. Okay, so this is a flashcard has created. Now just click into any column, go to the insert, go to the image. You can upload the image from here. I just search for Google. Okay, 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 I take the bird image here. So let me insert, it is inserted. The same as you need to go in every column and insert the image, send it, and then this will be, the flashcard will be, completed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.